Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to send videos from your PC to your phone. There are multiple methods you can use, and I'll guide you through each step by step. Whether your video files are small or large, these methods will work perfectly for you. Let's get started. The first method is using Gmail. This is one of the simplest ways to send small video files. Here's how to do it. Open Gmail on your computer and click on the Compose button. In the To field, type in your own email address. Sending the email to yourself allows you to easily access it later on your phone. Click on the paperclip icon to attach a file. Gmail has a size limit for attachments, which is 25 megabytes. If your video is smaller than this limit, select the file and wait for it to upload completely. Once the upload is finished, click Send. Now, open the Gmail app on your phone. Look for the email you just sent to yourself. Inside the email, you'll see your attached video. Simply download it to your phone's storage. This method is perfect for smaller video files, but if you're dealing with larger videos, you'll need a different approach. Next, let's move on to Google Drive. Google Drive is excellent for sending larger files and has a straightforward interface. Here's what you need to do. Open Google Drive on your PC. If you don't have it installed, you can use the web version at drive.google.com. You can upload your video in two ways. Either click New and choose File Upload, or drag and drop the video file directly into the Drive window. Wait for the file to upload. This might take a few minutes depending on the size of the video and your internet speed. Once the upload is complete, find your file in Drive. Right-click on it and select Share. To access the video on your phone, you can either share the file with your email or create a shareable link. Alternatively, download the Google Drive app on your phone, log into the same account, and access your video directly. For larger videos, another option is Mega. Mega provides a secure cloud storage service with easy sharing options. Open Mega on your PC and log into your account. Click File Upload and select the video you want to send. Wait for the upload to complete. Once it's uploaded, you can create a link to share with yourself or open the Mega app on your phone to download the video directly. Lastly, let's look at Mediafire. Mediafire is another popular cloud storage option. Open Mediafire on your PC and click Upload Files. Drag and drop your video file or choose it manually from your computer. Once the upload finishes, you can either use the Mediafire app on your phone or copy the shareable link and open it on your phone's browser to download the video. Each of these methods is effective, and you can choose the one that works best for your needs. For smaller videos, Gmail is quick and easy. For larger videos, services like Google Drive, Mega, or Mediafire are excellent choices. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.